Beep, 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 beep. Wait, what? What's going on here? It's all kinds of stuff. Yeah, I promised I'd talk about this. And this. I've got the camera up a little bit so you can see this. Oh my gosh. I got a little distracted. I started cooking, if you will. It all started with a buddy. We were talking about kits and you know, ladder bars. Simple little square piece of plastic. Like, wham, why can't they include these? I'm like, you know what? I can make those. I actually need to do some catch up on some stuff, and I'd love to get some of those coils like I see you putting in your builds. So I did some research and found some files, and you know, while I was at it, you better get some cool shifters. There's some nice Hurst T-handles and some trigger grip or finger pistol grips and ladder bars and slapper bars, and it just I went down a rabbit hole, and just I've been a little preoccupied and haven't been able to take any pictures of this. So this stuff is almost ready, done curing, ready to be packaged and mailed off, and then I can get started on, you know, the load for it. But I wanted to show you the video of the build of it, and I don't have any pictures, so I'm just gonna hold it to the camera and show it to you. Wow, what a great kit. I mean, just absolutely phenomenal. This was, oh man. Here, give me a second to move some of this. Get all this broken bread out of here. Movie reference. Anybody? Oh. It's just over the top, but you know, yeah, good stuff. Look at that restaurant plate stacking skill. Okay, got a full top. The best, cleanest build I've done yet. You know, not to toot my own horn. This is probably, you know, if you're gonna build one, this guy right here, whew, I broke that I don't know how many times until I finally sanded it off and drilled a hole, and thought, you know what, gosh, I should have done that to begin with, as well as the mirrors on this kit. And I don't want to spend too much time rambling about it. Just know that this was a great build. It went together great. If you've got a few good glue kits under your belt, get one. Absolutely get one. Just the way that everything went together and it all worked. You know, the wheels turn, the cab goes up and down. You do have to be a little careful when you go past that's the shifter. Once you go past that, those pins will pull out if you go too far forward. Yeah, you can hear it stretching, but cool, huh? And then, oh, yeah. Am I gonna be able to get it back in? Yeah, there we go. Then you just gotta kind of push that back into it. There you go. Sweet. Huh? Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I apologize, I don't have any photographs of it. I don't have room to take pictures. So I'm gonna do this, give you guys the little camera teaser, you know. It's a decent camera. Oh gosh, it's pointing way over there, isn't it? Well, we'll see how much of this you actually get to see. And then the trailer, look at that, supports the weight. This part goes up, goes down, bed goes up, bed goes down, bed goes up, bed goes down. So that's about it. Video, the slideshow of the construction of it to get to this point to follow, and I will do a final reveal of, you know, I'll do a video of just this loaded and photographs. So cool. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And I hope some of that's on camera. Wow, I can see it drooping even more. Hi. Okay, whatever. Thanks for watching.